and lived each day stuck in the same. There was a boy, weak, a failure, heartbroken, overthinking everything, distracted by things that didn't matter. He chased people who didn't care, wasted time on habits that drained him, and lived each day stuck in the same cycle. Until one night, staring at the ceiling, he asked himself, is this it? Is this who I'm meant to be? That night he made a decision, not to change overnight, not to become great in a day, but to start. Day one, he woke up at 5 a.m. Just one push-up, one page of a book, one healthy meal. Day two, 2 push-ups, 2 pages. Day 10, 10 push-ups, 10 pages. Slowly, he rewired his mind. Discipline replaced doubt, growth replaced regret, purpose replaced distractions. Months passed. The weak, heartbroken, overthinking boy. He was gone. In his place stood a focused, disciplined man. Not because he was special, not because he was lucky, but because he built himself, one small habit at a time. So ask yourself, where will your day one begin?